Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to add Midjourney to Discord server. First thing to do is log into your Discord account. And then, click here to add a server. Go to Join a Server. In here, type in Midjourney and click on Join Server. In your left side screen is where the different Midjourney servers. Choose the newbies room here. Scroll and then find the Midjourney bot. Click this and you can now prompt your own images. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!